Hi there. So one of the questions that we get frequently is how do you split a zone surface? So one part is exterior and the other part is ground. That's what I'm going to show you here. So this is a model that I built in Pollination Rhino. There is a main room here and a basement here. So if I turn on color by boundary condition, you'll see this is all outdoor on this floor, and here these are ground, the brown one, except for this one because it has a window. So pollination by default sets it to be outdoor because it can't be underground and have a window. So what we need to do is to fix this to be ground, fix this one to be ground, and also fix this part of the room here to be ground. The first thing I need to do is to split this face. So if I go to wireframe, or actually just hide this for a second by selecting them and pressing Ctrl H, you'll see this is a single face. So bring them back using show. The first thing that I do, I use a Rhino command as a split face. Select the face, and then it tells you either select curves or split axis. In this case, it's a straight line, so it's easy to draw an axis. Here you go. Now to select that face, and I open this so you can see it better. To select this specific face, if you click on this is the room, it selects everything. So I'll hold down Ctrl and Shift and then click, so I can select this face. You can see the face is selected here. So I can click on this edit button now that's selected, or I can write the command PO edit face properties, and it gives me access to edit this face properties. So now I can check the boundary condition to be ground, and here we go. So I'll do the same for this part. So remember the command was a split face, select the face, press space, and then a split axis, and here you go. So now I can select this face again, but if you have so many of them, it can get really like repetitive task to do. The other way that you can do that, you can use a command called PO rebuild rooms. One of the things that it does, it basically checks the boundary condition, and if it is under, the whole face is underground, which is 0 in this case, Z0, it sets it to ground. The only thing you should keep in mind is to make sure to set merge coplanar to no, so it doesn't merge them, because if you don't have that, it merges everything together. These are coplanar. And now if I run the command, oh, I forgot to select some merge to no, select the room, and now you can see this is also set to ground. So this one is fixed. Now let's go for this one. So for this one, if I use PO split face, oh, it's not PO, sorry, a split face command, and select the face, the difference is I can't do the axis because this is a different line, so I can use curves. So I select curves, hold down Shift, select this one and this one, and then I press a space, and now this is also split into two different faces. In this case, I cannot use PO rebuild because this is on Z positive. It's above the ground plane. So what I do, I press Ctrl Shift, select this, and then do PO edit face properties, set it to ground, and press OK. So this is also set. One more thing is, if you want to use this for energy simulation, you probably want to change these faces to be shade, so they can, because they cast shade on this one. These are not as important. So what I do, I just click on this and add them as building shades. Here you go. So now you have all the ground. This is selected. I can change it here, and the model is ready to go. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.